the secret of the micro world behind the skin of the snake fruit. Opening, the challenge of discarded skin. We know it as snake fruit because of its scaly, snake-like skin. Today, we'll investigate the skin of the snake fruit down to the microscopic level. From why it's spiky, to why it changes color, to the mysterious creatures that can only be seen through a microscope. Ready? Let's begin the adventure. Chapter 1. Why are there scales like snakes? The first and most fundamental question: why is the skin of the snake fruit scaly? It turns out the answer lies in genetics. Snake fruit belongs to the palm family, Arecaceae. Its tough, scaly skin is formed from an epidermis reinforced by lignin and superdense fibers. These scales are the first line of defense, protecting the fruit from insects, pests, and even fungal attacks. Interestingly, its shape is intentionally pointed. In botany, this is called squamiform, a form of scale that functions like a barbed fence. So, if you feel the skin is hard and rough when you touch it, it is intentionally designed by nature to make other animals think twice before biting it. Chapter 2. The secret of color: red, orange, and black. Now, pay attention to the skin color. Have you ever found a snake fruit with orange-red skin? Or even one that's jet black? The orange-red color is the main sign that the fruit is perfectly ripe. When ripe, biochemical changes occur. The levels of anthocyanin pigments that give it the red color increase. Research has even found that red snake fruit has a higher anthocyanin content than other varieties. This color is also influenced by the highland growing area, which tends to be darker. So what about the black color? Don't immediately assume it's rotten. In young snake fruit, a brownish-black color is normal, but if the skin is jet black, soft, and watery, it's a sign that the fruit is overripe and starting to rot. Sometimes it's also due to microbial infection, so choose the bright reddish color. It's the sweetest and freshest. Chapter 3. Mysterious creatures under the microscope. While observing the skin of the snake fruit with a microscope at 100 times magnification, something was found moving, very small, almost invisible to the naked eye. Lice, mites, what is this? After consulting scientific data, it turns out that these lice are a type of mite from the Arecaceae order. They are not insects, but rather relatives of spiders. They are only a fraction of a millimeter in size. Most likely, these are mites that usually live in plant debris, dust, or soil. They are organic feeders, especially fond of pollen, leftover nectar, or dead skin cells. The scaly skin of the snake fruit is like a luxury hotel for them. Its surface is uneven, full of crevices, and protected from direct sunlight. They come from the wind, or from the soil around the snake fruit, which is usually damp. Their goal is simple: to eat and reproduce. The gaps between the scales provide food from the organic material they cling to and protection from predators like ants. These mites are specialists that live only on the surface of the fruit. They do not attack the human body. As long as you wash and peel the skin of the snake fruit thoroughly, there's no risk. However, for those allergic to dust or dust mites, inhaling the dust from the skin can trigger sneezing or mild itching. So, always wash the skin before peeling. Chapter 4. Triangle structure and 2 colors in one scale. Now, let's take a closer look. Under the microscope, the snake fruit scales are not only hard, but also have an extraordinary geometric shape, triangular with pointed tips. Why is it shaped like that? This is the most efficient shape for channeling water and guiding insects to glide out. The pointed tips also function as microspines, difficult for small insects to penetrate. Then, what's more interesting about one segment of the triangle? The bottom is bright yellow, while the tip is orange-red. 2 colors in one scale. This is caused by 2 things. First, the thickness of the tissue. The tip of the scale is denser and contains more protective pigments, anthocyanins, because it is most exposed to sunlight. Second, exposure to light. The tip exposed to UV light immediately produces red pigment as a natural sunscreen, while the protected base continues to show the yellow base color of carotenoids. So each scale is like a smart little shield. The outer part is harder and darker for protection. The inner part is younger and more flexible. Chapter 5: Cracks, Fine Hair, and Soil Particles. Still using a microscope, several other oddities were discovered. Some scales were cracked. There were also some kind of fine hairs and soil particles attached. These cracks in the scales could be a sign of aging. The lignin-rich skin, after prolonged exposure to heat and rain, eventually loses its elasticity and cracks. It could also be because the fruit experiences environmental stress, such as drought followed by heavy rain. These cracks sometimes become entry points for microorganisms, but naturally, the underlying layer still protects the fruit's flesh. These fine hairs, what are they? Two possibilities. First, they are the plant's natural hair trichomes, usually found at the base of the fruit to reduce evaporation. Second, they could also be fungal or moss hyphae growing between the scales, taking advantage of the trapped moisture. Soil particles. Well, this is the easiest to explain. Salak trees grow close to the ground. The fruit clusters at the base of the tree, not hanging high like mangoes. When it rains, water splashes carry soil, sand, and dust particles that stick to the rough surface of the scales. Closing. Salak skin is not just trash. After this long journey, we came to know that the snake fruit skin that we often consider trash actually holds so many stories. So, next time you peel a snake fruit, maybe you'll pause, look at the scales, and think about the unseen world out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed this microscopic adventure. There's a whole new world waiting to be discovered. See you in the next episode.